Good afternoon everyone, Philip from Black Bull Markets here. In this video I'll be taking you through some of the potential trades for any of this week or even next week. I haven't not released a video like this in a while. Clients have got to me and said, please can you release more videos? It does help us a lot in our trading. So I decided I'll release another quick video before end of the week just to update you guys on what I am looking at in the market. So I'll just quickly take you through them. Nice short sweet video and to the point. So the first one we're looking at is the Aussie New Zealand dollar on the 1 hour bar chart. You can see it has formed this flat top triangle. So on the 4 hour you can see there's a nice uptrend, so we are looking for potential trades to the upside. If it does break, again a flat top triangle indicates bias to the upside, but I will trade this either way depending on where it breaks. So potential trade to the upside or to the short side. To the short side we can look for bounces on 1.08 or 1.06 hitting these support levels, and you can see here on the daily you can see there is another support level over here on the 1.104 level, so that is a nice big break as well to the top side of 100 plus pips. So depending on where it breaks again guys, to the top side or to the bottom side. The next one we'll be looking at is the Aussie US Dollar. This one has formed a pendant, you can see here. So depending on breaks to the upside or to the bottom sides, I will take that trade. Again, a nice strong trend to the downside. You can see here on the daily it was just nice and strong. You can see it has sort of stalled here on a resistance level of 0.75, so you can see it's kind of showed of unsurety. So 1.75, again a big psychological level for traders or investors. So we are looking, so that is the reason why this market has stalled over there. So looking for potential trade to the top or the bottom depending on a break. So the next one is Cad Swiss Franc. So you can see here a bit of Elliott wave analysis. You can see waves 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and a corrective pattern has started. So this does look like a double zigzag coming down with WXY. So Y still needs to continue that move hopefully to a potential level length of the previous A wave. So you can see here. So there is 100 over there, 100% on the 0.76 level, 0.76123 level, ironic. And then you can see here if we move it to the start of the X wave, we will see if it actually does match up. Okay, so you see it could actually finish here with a wave X, with a wave Y equaling wave X in 100%, so that is also another Elliott wave guideline. So that is probably the reason why it's stalling here. It could break through, continuing down to the previous fourth wave. As you know, your guidelines of Elliott wave, the wave usually retraces to the previous fourth wave. So you can see here it has happened in the past in this chart. So you can see waves 1, 2 extended, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and then a big major wave 4 corrected itself to the previous minor wave 4. So we're looking for this corrective to come down to this previous level over here, hitting this strong support level. The next one we'll be looking at is the EURGBP. Sorry, so this one was on the 4 hour bar chart. So the next one is the EURGBP. So you can see this is formed a triangle after a downtrend. On the daily you can see it has very, very, very choppy. A lot of unsurety in the markets. So we are looking for hopefully a breakout to a move to the top side or the bottom side. We can actually draw trade lines over here as well, connecting this. Sorry, I'll just use a channel instead actually. So you can see it is kind of following this channel, so we can look for continuation in the move in this channel until it breaks, looking for potential trades to the top side or the bottom side. But in the 4 hour bar chart we're looking for a breakout in the meantime of this triangle for trades to the top or to the bottom side. The next one is going to be the GBPCAD. Sorry, GBPCAD, there we go. So this one is actually formed a pendant. If you look very carefully, you can see almost a downwards consolidation following in a channel, but you can see it's slightly moving into a pendant shape or a wedge shape. So you can see breaks to the top side or to the bottom side is valid for this. If we do break to the top side, I would look for potential bounces on these support resistance levels of 1.75, another one here around about 1.79 or 1.8, which is another psychological level, or another bounce here on 1.84. So I got another psychological level. So guys, what I mean by psychological level is these are usually levels where they're round numbers. So you can see here 1.84 thousand. So you can see all those zeros. So that means it is a rounded number. This is you can see usually in the market consolidations or not consolidations, support and resistance levels happen around these round numbers. So you can see this was around about 1.8, which is a big one, so you can see a lot of consolidation. I'm sure in previous history as well, you can see it has not consolidation, sorry, offers support and resistance levels. If we look on a daily bar chart as well, maybe you can see some more. Yeah, so you can see here it does come close, but not really pitch perfect. Look at some more previous history, because you can see all these levels were always hit in previous history. There again and here again. And you can, so just to show you that what a psychological level is the round numbers usually in a chart. So like 1.84 thousand, 1.8, so this one was not really, but this did offer a small resistance level over here for this downtrend. The next one we're looking at is this is actually the last one, is the US dollar CAD. So there you can see here, it has actually formed a multiple top on the hourly time frame. So I've got a lot of lines here. So on the hourly time frame, you can see it has formed this multiple top. This one is to show the highest point of that top, which was 1.29243. To be exact, I think what you can actually have a look down here, which was 1.29243, which was the high of this multiple top. As you can see, it is just keeps testing that level, and every time it does bounce, it gives us nice legs to the downside. So if it does break, we can look for potential trades to this 1.29003 level, so 1.29803, sorry. So that is a potential move we're looking to. If it does break past there, we can look for potential moves to this previous high over here of 1.231194. So that is it for this video, guys. Just a quick update of what I'm looking at. So potential trades to the downside on any of those patterns. All the patterns that technical analysis offers usually gives you potential trades to the top or to the bottom side. So guys, if you've got any questions, please feel free to contact me. My details will be provided below in a link. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to continue watching our videos, please give us a subscribe button so you'll get the notification whenever I or anyone else in my team releases new videos or market updates. So that is it, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and from everyone here at Black Bull Markets, have a great weekend and safe trading.